make a new directory folder, call it scripts. Okay, and create a new JavaScript. Call it controller. Actually, we'll call it robot controller. Okay, now double click, open it with any of your text editors. I just use Unity to develop. And first off, create a variable called speed. And it's going to be an integer value. And it's going to be 6. Now we're just going to delete the update function for now. Gravity function, or gravity var, it's going to be an integer as well. We'll do 20. Then create a private variable, call it move direction, and it's going to be a vector 3.0. And that's just going to hold our player movement in X, Y, and Z in vector 3 form. And the fixed update function, we're going to register this controller so we can access it in script. Character controller equals get component. Oh. Okay. Semicolon. And I accidentally deleted my end bracket there. Okay. Also in the fixed update function, we're gonna wanna if statement and call it controller dot grounded. Actually, it's called is grounded. There we go. So if controller dot is grounded, so if our character controller is registered as grounded, if it's touching this ground, then move direction equals vector 3 0 0 input get axis the vertical axis. And then move direction is going to equal transform dot transform direction move direction. Alright, if our controller is grounded, we're going to be able to jump, but we haven't set up our animation yet. We just have walk, we just have idle and run. Also, var rotate y is going to equal input get axis mouse x and multiply it by 200 and multiply that by time dot delta time, just so our our movement isn't dependent on the computer speed. Like I'm running a Pentium 4 processor, so it's going to travel faster if this is applied than a Pentium 2 processor. And controller dot transform dot rotate 0, rotate Y, and 0 again. So our input multiplied by 200 times time is going to be our Y value for our rotation. Move direction dot Y minus equals gravity time dot delta time, and that's just going to be our gravity. So we're going to have a constant force downwards, and we need to move our controller. So move direction times time dot delta time. And up here we defined move direction is equal to world value in get axis vertical form. And semicolon end. Let's apply our robot controller to our player, and see how it works. Cool, so now we can go back and forth, and we can also rotate our character based on the mouse movement. So that's kind of cool. I'm gonna up the speed and drag the main camera. Well, we don't have to do that actually, because the main camera is actually gonna have a camera control script called smooth follow, and it's gonna follow our player. So there we go. Now it's following it.